Aging, while natural and inevitable, is a beautifully complex journey influenced by both our biology and our environment. By understanding the forces behind it, we can empower ourselves to navigate aging with grace and vitality. Let's delve into what drives the aging process and how we can slow it down. Our bodies are designed with an expiration date guided by genetic programming. Cellular division decreases over time as predetermined by our DNA. Telomere shortening. Protective caps on our DNA erode with each cell division, contributing to aging. Cellular senescence. Accumulated damage reduces cells' ability to function optimally. Hormonal changes. Declining levels of growth and repair hormones affect skin, metabolism, and health. Mitochondrial dysfunction. Energy-producing cell structures lose efficiency, slowing our systems down. The choices we make and the environment we live in play a crucial role. UV radiation. Sun damage accelerates skin aging. Pollution and toxins. Environmental stressors damage cells and exacerbate aging. Dietary habits. Poor nutrition fosters rapid aging. Stress and sleep deprivation. Chronic stress and lack of rest take a toll on our health. Smoking and alcohol. Both habits damage skin and reduce collagen production. Aging is inevitable, but adopting mindful lifestyle practices can make all the difference. In maintaining health and youthful vibrancy. Protect your skin. UV protection is key. Use sunscreen daily and seek shade when outdoors. Eat whole foods. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fatty fish provide essential nutrients for skin and overall health. Stay active. Regular exercise preserves muscle mass, improves circulation, and supports brain health. Prioritize sleep. Quality rest repairs your body and lowers stress-related aging. Hydrate. Drinking plenty of water keeps skin supple and supports overall health. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. They dehydrate skin and accelerate aging. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques, like meditation or yoga, to reduce inflammation. Nourish your skin. Moisturizers, antioxidants, and retinoids support skin elasticity and fight wrinkles. Cultivate connections. Social interactions enhance mental well-being and longevity. Monitor your health. Regular checkups can prevent age-related conditions. Your diet can be a powerful ally in slowing down aging. Add these nutritional champions to your plate. Berries. Antioxidants support skin health and fight oxidative stress. Green tea. Polyphenol reduce skin aging and combat free radicals. Extra virgin olive oil. Healthy fats and antioxidants guard against inflammation. Broccoli, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber support collagen production and brain health. Red bell peppers. Vitamin C and carotenoids maintain skin elasticity. Spinach. Vitamins A, C, E, and K hydrate and promote skin health. Fatty fish. Omega-3s keep skin moisturized and reduce inflammation. Nuts. Almonds and walnuts provide healthy fats and skin-protective vitamin E. Dark chocolate. Flavonoids improve skin hydration and shield against UV damage. Avocados. Packed with antioxidants and healthy fats to maintain a youthful glow. By incorporating these practices and superfoods into your routine, you can take control of how you age, embracing vitality and radiance every step of the way. Make a change, spread the wisdom. Like, share, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips for more life-enhancing advice. Let's age gracefully together.